Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Pipedrive Smart Docs 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to pipedrive.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right corner. After that, enter your email address and password in the login fields. Then click the login button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the pipeline deals section. Then click on the list view for an organized look at your deals. After that, click on any lead in the list to open its details page. Over here, click on the documents section in the leads profile. Then click on Connect Cloud Storage. After that, a window will appear. Select your preferred cloud storage service. Once connected, click on email address. Then click next to proceed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next